Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp compresses videos to save space and data, but there is a way to send videos without losing much quality. Let us dive right in. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open the chat. Go to the chat where you want to send the video. Select the attachment option. Tap the paperclip icon Android or the plus icon iPhone. Choose document. Instead of selecting gallery, tap document. Locate the video file. Browse your phone's file manager to find the video you want to send. Select the video file. Send the video. Tap send to share the video in its original quality. And that's it. Now you know how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp without compromising on clarity. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.